6 hours per week. That is what was eating up all of my evenings every single day before I learned this one strategy. It's a single button click tool that cuts down the time it takes me to create and publish a YouTube video from hours to minutes. And the worst part is that no one told me that those hours spent doing a YouTube video is the reason why new YouTubers quit. And this is before they ever earn a single cent online. I'm going to walk you through 6 invisible hours that you may not see when going after your YouTube goals. But I'm going to do this in a way that you can see the simplicity of how this simple tool will be able to take you from having to spend countless hours at your computer in the evenings to getting content published and in front of the right viewers. Right here in front of me, you have Traffic Maestro. And just to be transparent, it's not only for YouTube, you can use it for Facebook as well. However, I'm going to go over some of the parts inside of Traffic Maestro that can open your eyes as to how simple this is. Keep in mind, whenever you do one single video, you'll have to cover the topic research, the thumbnail, writing the descriptions and chapters, uploading it, and tagging it. And let's not forget any of the promotion that you have to do for that video as well. Doing all of this on your own is draining your time, and it's a good reason why you should let Traffic Maestro do the work for you. Now, hopefully I'm able to give you a simple demo. It's not going to be a full demo, but a simple idea of how this works because I am actually using this Traffic Maestro as we speak, okay? The first thing you're going to want to do is click on long form video. Now, hopefully I can keep this going as I shoot the video inside of Traffic Maestro on another page. All right, what you see right now is an old video of mine that I hope I'm still recording. I'm glad that's still there and not the current video that I'm shooting, but that's an old video that I just did yesterday. I'm just going to back it up because I'm actually inside of the system right now recording, and I'm just going to make sure it's still recording actually. All right, it looks like we're still in the money. So Traffic Maestro has some things up front that you don't even see on this page that you would do to make sure that you're going to reach the ideal customers. Most people, they get online, they get on YouTube, and they don't understand they need to create an ideal audience that they can actually talk to. And once they create their ideal audience, they need to keep their subjects around a cluster of topics that can help get their topics or their videos moved in front of the right people. All of that stuff is done before this step, but ultimately, this is what you have on a daily basis. You'll be able to come and research your topic. Okay. Hopefully, I don't mess nothing up. I'll go to the topic for this video. I have YouTube automation for beginners. If I wanted to find a topic, I could just search it. And let's just say YouTube automation or something like that. You will have instantly whether or not people are searching for that on YouTube. And if you know anything about YouTube, this is important. You want to know that what you're talking about is going to be searched for. So that's the first piece of the puzzle that's already done for you instantly. This took seconds, not minutes, not hours to research a topic. Once you find your topic, I'm not going to switch up mine. You're going to be able to add it and use it and go to the what will we cover part. I'm going to, instead of clicking there, I think I'm going to click here and hopefully it saves what I already have. I simply talked into this with my regular everyday language as to what I wanted to cover. I said, I would like to create a video that talks about YouTube and talks about the Traffic Maestro, which is this right here, and how they could streamline their YouTube marketing automation. Traffic Maestro has a lot of click button automation that helps you research the topic, create a thumbnail, and upload the YouTube video so that you can save time and be consistent. Once I gave it that, it was like, all right, cool. Let's go to the next step. But if you're lost and you really don't know what you want to talk about, at each step, you're pretty much able to use the AI portion to give you ideas, just to let you know. So the get attention part, I'm able to craft a hook. It will create a hook. I will be able to review it. I can edit the hook or I can regenerate the hook, but ultimately you'll have the hook actually use. The title is what you'll see next. It'll create the title for you. You can edit the title, go with it. You could try to regenerate it if you want to, but ultimately You'll have the title there. Then after that, you can go to write your hook. This is how you're going to grab the attention of your viewers. You probably heard me say something about spending 6 hours per week on my videos, okay? Or not a week, per evening on my videos. Then after the hook is done, you can go to your thumbnail. So the thumbnail is where you're just going to put in you're going to pick a prompt that's already there. You get some options to choose from. What I do is simply listen to it and I edit my prompt. I add my little to my prompt that I keep copied on my computer. I paste it here because I like to show up a certain way on my thumbnail consistently. So I put that there. But other than that, I just pick the thumbnail I want, and you can edit the prompt. So whatever prompt you want, that's what you choose. And so from there, you can also put your face inside of here. It will help you get a better thumbnail. Okay. Then from there, you'll be able to create a script. It created a script for me. And basically, I was going to do the walkthrough from Traffic Maestro. You can do the walkthrough for whatever it is that you're promoting. It does not have to be the system that I'm going to offer you. In fact, if you want this system or if you want to get a free tour, you can click on a link in the description and it'll give you a free tour of this company, because this is a tiny piece of how this company can help you save time, make more money. Not just with the company's product, but also with whatever it is that you're promoting. You can actually create different profiles. Okay, you're looking at a small piece of this. So to get the bigger picture or more information, or even to sign up, if you want to get this, click on a link, put your name and email in there, and you'll get some information. And now where I'm at is at the shooting part. I really wish I could be at the published part for you so that you can see it. But ultimately, I'm going to break this down as to what happens at the published part. In fact, let me back up at the shooting part. Right now, you see me shooting a video. I'm not using the regular software I usually use to shoot a video. I'm actually using a software to shoot the video directly into Traffic Maestro. I just can't show it to you because I'm using it. And also, I use it to edit the video. It'll get out all of the repetitive words, the filler words, and it will get out. Hopefully, it doesn't remove that because I needed that one. But it will get out the filler words for you, and it will also remove the empty spaces, the gaps that maybe I have a brain fart and needed to stop and think. Or if you're reading a script, I have a teleprompter set right up there for me. If I want to read from the script, it'll actually guide me on what to say next. It actually told me to show you Traffic Maestro, and I just did that. And I'm going to click next to go to what else I want to say for the video. Well, before I go and before I end this, I want you to understand the importance of Traffic Maestro. One, you don't have to go through the 15 modules of training that I went through when I first started YouTube marketing to learn exactly what to do. The principles and strategies are already baked inside of the tool, so you'll be good there as long as you follow the steps and put effort into it. Two, you're taking successful marketers, the co-founders have been successful on YouTube for years with selling their product, service, tools, and it's all baked inside of this system. And obviously you'll save time because after you shoot it, after you click a few buttons, and I usually watch my video to get rid of anything that I might have messed up on. After you do all of that, you simply go to publish it. Once you publish it, which is a really cool part that I like to show, but I can't show you, is that you'll be able to get your description with your links. Well, in this system, I have my affiliate links in there, right? So I have my affiliate links in there. I have the YouTube thumbnail automatically generated for me. I will have the first comment that I want to put on my video there, and it will already be shot off into my YouTube studio. I can click on YouTube studio. The video is already there with the thumbnail uploaded automatically. And all I have to do is add my end screen, add my end card, click a couple buttons for YouTube, like if I want it to be monetized or not, and publish my video and be done for the day. Okay. So that's the magic of Traffic Maestro. I really, really love it. And you can use it for any niche that you want to use it for. So now that you know exactly how you can do YouTube on a daily, consistent basis, and instead of sitting at your computer, you can have dinner tonight with your family like a normal person. And that wasn't in the script. I just said that. I highly encourage you that if this resonates with you, if this seems like something that can help you in your life, your marketing, your needs to make more money, to save time, click on the link in the description of this video so that you can start cutting your hours of marketing down to minutes and stay consistent week after week. And consistency is what turns YouTube into passive income. And yes, the script said that. So I said it. So check out the turnkey system that's going to lead you to Traffic Maestro to review the products we have inside of the system. And a really cool thing is, if you're into earning money with affiliate marketing, every 80 cents of every dollar gets returned back to you as an affiliate. And the done for you emails handle the rest. Link is in the description below.